Hey guys, this should be a short video because you already should have done this section, or at least 5 sections of the Maya. And here we are moving on to the Aztecs. Notice again, the Aztecs are later. So 1100 to 1521 is their time period, and they flourished 1345 to 1521. One thing I want to point out about the Aztecs that's different than the Maya is they were more like a country rather than ethnic groups, rather than the name of indigenous people like the Maya. So even though many people who were Aztecs and were part of an indigenous community did survive following the fall of the Aztecs, their country, essentially, if you want to call it that, did not. So there were no Aztecs per se after 1521, even though aspects of that culture is going to survive, luckily. So again, fill out 5 sections. I think the first 3 are great. One thing I want to point out is there are 2 links to the Aztecs. For example, this one is just like the one you did for the Maya. It's the same kind of topics, so you can click on any of these links. There's also a little bit more detailed one. It's got a lot of the same stuff, but a few more specific things to click on that is not on the other chart. So take a look at that. One thing I want to point out is there is going to be a lot of similarities between the Aztecs and the Maya because they're both in that same Mesoamerican region of northern Central America, Yucatan Peninsula, and then obviously a little bit farther north is central Mexico where the Aztecs live. So you will find similarities here. You're going to go to your Google Classroom from Monday, April 6th. From this chart to begin with. So you'll see it from Monday, 4/6/2020. So you'll have to go down to there. Don't forget to do that because that's where your assignment is. And again, do not turn it in quite yet because you still are going to do the Inca. Thanks, guys.